Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see scheduled emails in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you want to compose messages now but have them sent automatically at a specific time later, whether it's for following up with clients in different time zones or ensuring your message arrives at just the right moment. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, will access the email tools you need. Look to the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up the email composition screen where you'll be able to create and schedule messages. Now, from the email composition screen, I'm going to first demonstrate how to create a scheduled email so you understand the complete process. Go ahead and compose your email as you normally would, typing in your recipient, subject line, and message content. Once you've done that, look for the Tags section in the toolbar. Within this section, you'll see a small box icon with a sideways arrow. This is the Message Options button. Click on it to open the Message Properties window. In the Message Properties window, scroll down until you find the Delivery Options section. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Do Not Deliver Before. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable the email scheduling feature. Once you've checked that box, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to set your desired scheduled delivery date and time. Choose the exact date and time you want your email to be sent, then close the Properties window. After that, click Send, just like you would with a regular email. Here's the key part. Once you've sent your scheduled email, head back to your main Outlook screen and look at your inbox pane on the left side. Find and click on your Outbox folder. This is where your scheduled email is stored. It will remain here until the scheduled date and time you set arrives. Once that moment comes, Outlook will automatically send the email and move it from your Outbox to your Sent folder. So anytime you want to check on emails you've scheduled, simply look in your Outbox folder and you'll see them waiting there. And that's how you create and see scheduled emails in Outlook. It's a simple process that gives you excellent control over when your messages are delivered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.